Alright, I'm going to be simulating USDCAD. I might just do 2 days, but I just want to walk you through how I look at the market. So, what is this? This is 755, so we should be marking up our zones. Mark up our zones. Swing low down here. Let's go into 15 minutes, see if we can see some clear swing lows. Yeah, this is the swing low right here. And let's see if we got some demand. This looks like a demand right here. It pushed up really hard, so it could come back to this area. It looked like it's on the uptrend. You see how it was ranging, and now we're pushing up. So this could be a possible uptrend. Let's look at the 1 hour to see. Yeah, we're definitely pushing up. Okay, so we should be definitely looking for buys moving forward, unless it just start rejecting. Okay, so let's simulate this to see if we can find a setup. Okay, it's kind of consolidated. It's not really doing anything. Okay, it reaches the demand on the 15-minute. Okay, still pushing down even lower. All right, so what do we get? We get a down up candle. Okay, down up candle is reversing. So this is not really a safe place to enter a trade. I'm just gonna wait a little bit more. Okay, we get a rejection candle. Okay, it's pushing up. Okay, pushing back down. Okay, if it doesn't break this low and it start pushing up, I'm getting in for the buy. Okay, all right, right there, I'm getting in for the buy. I'm getting in for the buy because this low didn't pass this low right here, and it's starting to break up. So as it break above this candle, I'll be getting it for the buy. It's pure price action. All right, so let's see what happens. Okay. All right, boom. TP is hit. Okay. Good trade, because we know that this is an uptrend on the 1 hour, and we had a 15-minute demand right here. So just had to be patient to see what price is giving us. This is not like, this is a regular like W type of trade. Pull up, didn't pass the previous, and it's starting to break up. I'm taking a buy. Okay. It dipped. That's why I said sometimes the resistance and support won't be respected, but it came back to the demand area. Okay. Let's take that off. Let's see if we get another setup. All right, it comes to comes to support. So once this big red candle rejects support, I will be getting in again once it break above this red candle. Stop loss is literally up under that wick, and we're aiming for our 1-to-1. And let's see if we get it. Boom, we got it again. All right. And honestly, look, if you notice this is demand again, because you see all you need is 2 candles. That last pullback created this momentum. So once it came back, it touched support and demand. That's what we love. Okay. Now that's 2 trades that I want. I want to go to the next day. I don't want to just keep trading this one day. Okay. This day was super bullish. You should have all your zones, everything marked up by 7:50. Okay, by 7:50, right before New York open, you should have it marked up for forex pairs. Okay. What is this? 7:40. All right, so we missed this move right here, but hey, it is what it is. So we're gonna have this marked up. Okay, let's look at the 15 minutes, see what it's looking like. Yeah, this looks like a key support area. Let's go on a 1 hour. Yeah, it's definitely breaking down. Doesn't mean it's a downtrend. We just have to see what the 5 minutes looking like. Okay, so let's go. Okay, it's playing around. It breaks. This is demand. This is supply right here. Pushed out with some momentum. Okay, push back in. Okay, if it breaks below this green candle, we're getting in for the sell. Okay, we're getting in for the sell. Okay, it didn't break below. Pushing up some more. Didn't break below. Okay, boom, we're getting in right there. We always wait until it break the low of candles when we're trying to get for a sell. So this is where we'll be at. And we will aim for our 1-to-1, and then you can leave a runner if you want to. Boom, one candle got hit, and we're good. We're good. Okay, now this is another. See, when it's trending, you're gonna constantly see supply and demands because it's gonna keep breaking out. So let's delete this. We have another supply right here. And now gotta mark up our swing low because we're on a downtrend. Now, if it pulls back to any one of these areas, we're getting in, or at least close to one of these areas, and it start rejecting, we're getting in, okay? If it come back. If it don't come back, then that's just what it is. Okay, it's starting to come back. Oh my goodness, look at that. Did you just see that? Did you just see that? This had to be news. This is 9 o'clock. Well, we don't know. But this candle was red, and then it went up and then down. So as it went up and down, we'll be getting in once it breaks below that candle. Okay. Now you probably lost because this was a smart money manipulation trade because it never reached your 1-to-1. So you probably did lose. But it pushed up and then pushed down. We will be getting in once it did that, but we lost right here. So this is a loss. Okay. You might get another opportunity. Let's see. If it break below this candle, I'm looking for a 1-to-1. Let's see. Okay, broke below that candle right there. Let's see if we can get our 1-to-1. And it didn't want to close past this wick right here. This is looking like a good trade right here. So we can get our 1-to-1. Boom, right there. Got our money back. Got our money back. Boom. All right. So these are the two setups I wanted to show you. So on the 15-minute, you mainly want to look for supply and demand. Mark up your support and resistance before the session open. Look at the 1 hour for the direction. Don't always base everything off of the 1 hour direction because the 5-minute is moving the 1 hour direction. Remember that. The 5-minute is the real time move. So just because the 1 hour is on the uptrend doesn't mean that the 5-minute is going to be on the uptrend. Okay, the 5-minute could be a pullback to go up. You know, so you have to be wary of all time frames. But the 15-minute this just keeps you honest, keeps you in the right direction. The 5-minute is the entry time frame. You can't enter your trades on the 15-minute. Just be very careful, okay? Yeah. So I'm gonna go to the next simulation. I believe it's US oil. So I just want to go through different markets just to show you that this is universal. Matter of fact, let's go through, before I get off of this, let's go through a 15-minute setup, okay? Go through a 15-minute setup. Let's go to the next day. I just want to show you that this you can use the 15-minute chart as well. And yeah, it works too. So every day you want to refresh your zones, okay? Your key levels. Always refresh it. Okay, so what do we have? We have our key levels down here. We do have demand right here. Supply. This is supply. Okay. And this is also resistance. So let's see the 1 hour. What the hell? Okay. Alright, so right now we probably missed this opportunity right here because this is demand as well. We missed this opportunity. That's demand. It is what it is. You can't have no FOMO. So that's a trade that probably played out. But let's just see what happens. Okay, we get up here. All right, so if it breaks below this candle, I'm getting in for the sell because we're reaching a supply area. So let's see if it breaks below. And we're looking for a 1-to-1. It don't break below, okay? Okay, this is like a doji. If it breaks below, I'm getting in for the sell. Okay. It give us a smart money setup, okay? You see how it break above and then went below? This is a smart money candlestick. So TP we should have got in once it broke up and then break below, okay? So we should be able to get our 1-to-1. Let's see. Boom, right there. Boom, right there. That's it. It went up, then broke below. We're getting in as soon as it break below. But since this is a smart money setup, I'm even more confident because the big dogs is in the market. Okay. I hope you learned something from this video. You can trade. This is the fifth. Oh wow. This is the 5 minute. This is the 5 minute. Okay, let's go to the 15-minute chart. I thought that was the 15-minute chart. I'm so irritated. Okay. All right. So honestly, this is the setup right here. So we are at support, right? It pushes up, comes back down. These candles do not want to close. The body of the candle do not want to close below here. So what do? We'll be getting in for a buy once we see that candles are breaking highs. So once it break this high, you can use this candle or this candle. It's up to you. I'll just wait like very short for it to break. And we already at support anyway, so we have to be careful because this is also supply. So we need to really be aiming for a 1-to-1. So let's see what happens. Oh, we got destroyed. We got destroyed. Okay. That was a loser. Okay. Now this looked like more supply. This might be a downtrend. Let's see if we can get another trade. Oh shit, trade day is over. Let's go to the next day. I thought that last setup that I showed was a 15-minute setup, but it wasn't. Oh my goodness. Okay, I went too fast. Okay, let's go to the next day. All right. All right, let's clear this up. Let's mark up our zones. We have a swing low right here. Okay. Let's look at the 1 hour. Okay. All right, so this is supply right here, and we have resistance. So if it come back up, we'll be looking to get in. See, when you get this one candle going up and then coming down, you don't want to sell right here. Like you see how that candle went up and down. Don't sell right here. That's selling low. We don't do that. Okay. Okay, I'll be getting in right here. Okay. I want to get in somewhere where the supply is at. We don't want to be selling down here. That's not good. That is not good. That's selling low. So as it break under this candle, I'm looking for my 1-on-1 on the 15-minute chart. Okay. Let's see if we can get it. Boom, we got it. All right, that's all I wanted to show you. Don't sell low. Just because it wicked up and then came back down, you want to sell low right here. Don't do that. That's selling too low. We want to sell as close as possible to the resistance or the supply. Okay, I hope this helped you. I'm going to simulate US oil next on the 5-minute chart. Let's go.